Hi, my name is Ryan. Before attending Dev Mountain, I've been a stay-at-home dad. I have 5 children. My youngest just turned 5. Before becoming a full-time caregiver to my children, I was a manager at Cabela's in Lehigh, Utah. One of the tasks I was given while I was at Cabela's was to create a program to track all the daily operations of the store. Using Excel, I created a dynamic working spreadsheet to track the sales, inventory, special events, weather, and manager reports. Each manager was able to view and update the spreadsheet in real time. As my youngest is now old enough for me to enter back into the workforce, I have a strong desire to expand off my experience and start a career in software engineering. I made this interactive cookbook so that I could share and add recipes with my friends and family. This is the main page of my cookbook. At the main page, we can navigate to different parts of the website. But first, we need to create an account. When the Create an Account button is pressed, we are brought to a user creation or login form. If we've already created a user account, we can enter in the username and our password into that form. After logging in, the user is taken to the home page where they can choose to view recipes, add a recipe, or view their favorites recipe list. If the user chooses to view recipes, they are taken to a list of all the recipes. If they then click on the name of a recipe, they will navigate to the recipe's details. At this point, a recipe card is displayed showing the recipe name, a brief description if there is one, if the recipe has been added to the user's favorites, and any comments that the user may have given for the recipe, followed by the ingredients and the instructions. The user can toggle the favorite icon to add or remove the recipe from their favorites list. They can either add or edit the comments and ratings for the recipe. Back at the home page, the user can see what recipes they have on their favorites list by selecting Favorites. Either from the navigation bar or the home page, a new recipe can be added. This will take the user to a form for adding a new recipe. The languages and framework that I used for this project were Jinja 2, JavaScript, HTML, and CSS for the front end, Python, Flask, and PostgreSQL for the back end. For security, I have implemented bcrypt for password protection and CSRF tokens to protect cross-site request forgery attacks. Thank you.